Florida's ecological crisis. The rise of invasive species. Florida is globally recognized as a biodiversity hotspot, boasting a rich tapestry of native plants, reptiles, birds, and marine life. However, the state's subtropical climate acts as a double-edged sword. The same warmth that sustains native life also provides an ideal sanctuary for non-native organisms. As of 2026, Florida has recorded more than 500 reported non-native species. These invasive organism species introduced outside their natural habitats do more than just exist in new environments. They aggressively outcompete native wildlife, disrupt food chains, and cause significant economic damage. The predators reshaping the ecosystem. Several high-profile animal species have fundamentally altered the balance of Florida's natural habitats. The Burmese python, an Everglades predator, perhaps the most notorious invader. The Burmese python originated in Southeast Asia and was introduced via the exotic pet trade. These massive snakes can reach lengths of nearly 19 feet. Having established a stronghold in the Everglades, they face almost no natural predators in Florida. The impact on local biodiversity has been catastrophic. In areas with high python density, wildlife populations have plummeted. Raccoons decreased by 99.3%, opossums decreased by 98.9%, bobcats decreased by 87.5%, lionfish, a threat to coral reefs in the Atlantic and Caribbean waters. The lionfish, originally from the Indo-Pacific, is decimating reef ecosystems. Likely introduced through the aquarium trade, these predators consume vast quantities of small reef fish that are essential to maintaining healthy coral environments. To combat their spread, organized lionfish challenges have encouraged divers to remove tens of thousands of these fish from the water. The Argentine black and white tegu, native to South America. These large lizards have established breeding populations in South Florida. Their impact is felt most heavily in avian populations. By raiding nests to consume eggs, insects, and small mammals, they pose a direct threat to native bird species. Disruption via habitats and toxins. Invasive species do not only kill through predation. They also damage the physical environment and poison the food chain. Feral hogs, landscape destructors descended from domestic pigs, feral hogs are among the most destructive invaders. Their foraging behavior involves rooting through the soil, which destroys native vegetation, degrades water quality, and damages both farmland and wetlands. Furthermore, they act as vectors for diseases that can affect both livestock and native wildlife. Cane toads, toxic invaders introduced in the mid-20th century to control agricultural pests, cane toads have become a major biological hazard. They produce bufotoxin, a potent poison. This creates a lethal trap for native predators and pets that attempt to eat them, leading to widespread sickness and death among local fauna. Green iguanas, urban and natural disruptors common in South Florida due to escapes from the pet trade. Green iguanas thrive along canals and urban waterways. Their tendency to burrow can damage local infrastructure, while their presence disrupts native habitats. In an effort to manage their numbers, authorities have even allowed for the authorized sale of certain iguanas to assist in population control. Summary of key invasive threat species. Primary origin. Main impact: Burmese python, Southeast Asia, massive decline in mammal bird populations, lionfish, Indo-Pacific, destruction of coral reef ecosystems, feral hog, domesticated soil erosion, and habitat destruction, cane toad, tropical regions, poisoning of native predators. The rapid spread of these species highlights a growing tension between human activity such as the exotic pet trade and agricultural experimentation and the preservation of natural ecosystems. Conclusion: the proliferation of invasive species in Florida represents a continuous struggle to protect native biodiversity from aggressive, non-native competitors. Effective management requires a combination of public participation, strict monitoring, and active removal programs to prevent further ecological collapse.